What is going on, YouTube? Hey, thank you for clicking on this video. Another video for Cowboy Diecast Racing. This is Cowboy. Excited about this next video. I'm gonna do something a little different other than Hot Wheels drag racing. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. Took me a little bit to find these, but they're gonna be fun. So let me get them all lined up, and I will show you what we'll be racing today. Alright guys, here it is. And yes, this is the Johnny Lightning vehicles with the plastic wheels, not the rubber. These are the Johnny Lightning spoilers and celebrating 40 years cars. So we've got these lined up. There's 10 of them here. Got a Fury there. That's gonna be a cool one. Got a Chevelle, a Vet, a Hemi Cuda right there, that black one. Got a Malibu right there. That one does, the only one that does have rubber wheels, but it's okay. A Vega GT, and then another Vega. Got a Dodge Viper SRT10. Check that one out, guys. A GNX. And look at this one. A Corvette with the black flames. I know a big one that a lot of guys like to get is the Camaro with the black flames. So that'd be cool if I found that one and I had a Vet with the flames and a Camaro with the flames. Alright guys, we're going to weigh the first two and get them up there, so let me get my scale and we'll get that going. Alright guys, got my scale, and the first one, look at this Plymouth Fury. This thing is sweet. Alright, let's weigh it. $38 grams for that one. And this Chevelle here, look at the wheels on that. That motor popping out, ready to race. Let's see what it weighs. It's 38 grams too. Nice. Alright guys, let's get them up there and get this race started for the Lightning Muscle Car drags. Alright guys, there they are, lined up and ready to go. Now I know these aren't going to be as fast as the Hot Wheels. They're definitely not going to be as fast as like the ones right here. These are my top 8 that have been dusted. So obviously they're not going to be that fast or near that fast, but it's just something fun, different, racing some Johnny Lightnings. Alright guys, let's turn on the gate here, which I forgot to turn on.
Hot Wheels racers, pick your lane!
There you go. And let's get it going, guys. Let's see who's going to take this race. Whoa!
Winner, lane 5!
You guys saw how that Fury was like wanted it bad. So that's crazy. So the light was kind of burning out there. All right. Well, guys, we have the Fury that's in the winner's circle, and this one didn't make the cut, so he's going to go over here, right there. All right, guys, let's weigh the next two and get them up there. All right, guys, our first one, this is a 1969 AMC Scrambler. Check that out. When the hood comes up, you can see that motor in there. Now this one does have rubber tires, the only one that does. But I thought it'd be cool to sit down the track anyway. Look how fat those tires look. Alright, let's get it weighed here. Now this one's gonna be quite a bit heavier, 48 grams. So it's got some weight to it. And let's see if we can take on this Hemi Cuda. This thing is bad, guys. Look at this. Look at that motor popping out of there. Alright, let's weigh it. Oh, this one's actually 44 grams. That's actually got a decent weight, so that's probably a good lineup. Alright, let's get him up there. Put him up there and we can get this going. Put him at number 5. Alright, guys. Let's see who's going to take it. Whoa!
Winner! Lane 6!
That Scrambler did better than I thought. He stayed closer to that Cuda, but the Cuda took the win, guys. So, Cuda's going over here in the winner's circle. And Scrambler's going over here in the loser lane. Alright guys, let's get the next two waiting up there. Alright guys, here are the next two. These pair of Vegas is a red Vega GT. That's a cool looking car, right? Let's get it weighed, see what it weighs. 38 grams, so maybe the other one's gonna weigh the same. It's just a regular Vega, it's not the GT, but it's got that big motor popping out of the back of it. All right, 36 grams, just a little bit lighter, still a good matchup. All right, let us get them up there and see which one's gonna take these races. We'll put the GT in lane 5 and the regular Vega, yellow one, the flames, in 6. All right, guys. Let's see who's gonna take it. Let's see who takes it, y'all. Whoa, did you see that?
Lane 6!
That's, oh yeah. That was close. The red Vega was out front, and the yellow Vega came up behind him and took it. That was an awesome race. That was a race right there. So he's going in the winner lane, and the GT is going in the loser lane. He was close though. That was a good fight, man. All right, guys, let's get the next two up there. All right, here they are. Got this GNX. Look at that thing, those black wheels. That monster motor poking out of there, ready to race. And check this guy out. This Viper SRT10 ACR. Let's see if he's got enough to take it. Let's get these things weighed. 38 grams. All these cars are pretty equal. Let's see what this Viper weighs. 40, a little bit heavier, so not too bad of a matchup. All right, let's get them up there. Let's put Viper in 5 or 6 and the GNX in 5. All right, guys, they're raring to go. Let's see who's gonna take it. Oh!
Winner! Lane 5!
It was the GNX for the win. All number 25 took the win. That's a good looking car. over here in the winner's lane. And the Viper goes over here in the loser lane. Alright guys, let's get these last two. Check us out. Last two are the Vets, the one with the black flames. And the one that's got this monster motor poking out of the top of it. Alright guys, let's get them up here and get them weighed. Alright guys, there they are. Let's get this Vet. Look at this Vet's paint job. It's got that sparkle paint job. That thing's sick. 78 model. Alright, let's see what he weighs. He's lighter. He's 20. Oh, 30. Oh, 20. It went to 30. 30 grams. What is this really sweet Vet with the flames? What does he weigh? 36. So he's a little bit heavier. Let's see if that helps him out. And actually, I just noticed that the hood pops up a little bit. That's pretty sweet. All right, guys. Let's get him up there and get this race going. Let's put old black Vet with flames in 5. And we'll call this Monster Motor Vet. That massive blower sticking out of there. All right, here we go. We're gonna see who takes it. Ready? On the mark, here we go. Let's see who takes it. Whoa, that was close. That was close, but guess what? Your Vet with flames took the win. Awesome. I was kind of hoping for that. That's awesome. All right, so the other Vet is going to go in the loser lane. All right, guys, here are your finalists for this next video. We're going to do this in 2 parts, so this will be the first video finalist, and then here's the ones that didn't make it. So that's pretty awesome. I'm thinking that Fury is going to be a big contender because it was actually pretty fast. It'd be funny if that beat out all these muscle cars. I don't know, I'm predicting probably, I don't know, maybe the Fury and this Vet for the finals of the next race. Alright guys, I think you know what time it is now. Alright guys, that is right. It is the Diecast feature of the video, and there's something a little different right here, guys. I like to look at all kinds of different Diecast. I collect all kinds of different ones, not just Hot Wheels or Matchbox, but I collect all kinds. Muscle Machines, Johnny Lightnings, you know, Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Maisto, M2, all kinds. Alright guys, here we go. We're panning down slowly. Slowly. Here's all my other Hot Wheels. Oh, there's all my chases up there, or treasure hunts. Panning down slowly. Alright, here we go. Here it is, guys. This is the Muscle Machines model number 24 Buick GNX Chase. It's got those gold rims, flat paint, and the limited edition sticker right there. Number 24. This thing is sick, guys. And I think these are pretty detailed for what they are. Got that Grand National symbol. We got the Muscle Machines tag, those cool headlights. Got that Muscle Machines emblem right there, and the Muscle Machines writing in gold on the wheels, the gold actual wheel. out those cool events right there. The muscle machines. Golden, those are sweet. Those pipes right there, guys. Look at that. That's sick. Headlights. There's that symbol. It'll focus. Back on the back bumper. The parking lights, the headlights. These things are actually, you know, for what they are, and how inexpensive they are, they're pretty detailed. Look underneath that car. Look at those pipes, side pipes coming out each side of them. Off those long tube headers, right? That's sick, guys. And this comes with a display stand as well. I might leave it in here, I might not. I don't know. I might take it out for you guys to look at a better look. Because hey, we are about having fun opening these up. And this one doesn't really, these don't really go for a lot on eBay, but I like the flat black and the paint. So let me get this out of here for you guys. And we'll get a closer look. Alright guys, here it is. This thing looks sick how it sits on this stand. Look at that. Look at the stance on that. That is just really cool. I like how these sit. Look at that. It'd be cool if like the hood came up or something, but it doesn't. Look at that. That thing is cocky looking right there on that stand. I love Buick Grand Nationals and GNXs. I mean, that'd like be one of my dream cars other than a Gen 3 Camaro in real life. But man, you try to find one of these in decent shape and they are going for some dough, as you guys know, in real life. But they're such a sick car. I'm such an 80s and 90s car loving, and all those cars now are going up for some money. But maybe one day, huh? So there it is, guys. The Muscle Machines 1987 Buick GNX Chase. It's cool to see the bottom of this. Check that out. Look at those pipes. Those fat wheels in the back and the skinny ones in front. I like it, guys. Alright. That is the Diecast feature video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I thought it was really cool to find this, and I'm glad I got to share it with you guys. Alright. Appreciate you looking at this with me. Alright guys, that is going to do it for this video. Man, thank you guys so much for sharing part of your day with me. So please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm almost to 100 guys, subscribers. And I'll just keep hopefully growing from there. So thank you again for the subscription so far. Alright guys, you know there's so much craziness going on in the world today, so we need to look up so we can move forward and make this world a better place, one person at a time. So I will see you guys on the next video down that cowboy diecast racing trail. God bless.